Took the time the other day to make a video while I was trimming a horse. Spoke my mind about Marcus Ray and his movement. I'm not going to go back on what I said. I meant what I fucking said. But now I got a bunch of people asking me, oh, what are we going to do? What should we do? Educate yourselves. Spread the word. The United Nations has just declared war on the truth. They're telling you outright that if you speak up, you're a conspiracy theorist. Shouldn't be believed. Should be approached in a certain fashion, and the authorities should be contacted, and all kinds of neat shit. So they want war? Arm yourselves with facts. Get out there and start telling the people. If you don't want to do it on social media, do it in person. Do it on the telephone. Do it like we used to do, standing around on the street corner having a coffee. Do you know who your enemy is? The World Economic Forum. 51 years they've been working at this. They've been planning and scheming, working as hard as they can. And now, here we are. Klaus Schwab has admitted that for over 45 years, they've been working directly with the CCP. Well, now here we are in Canada and the U.S. We got 5G, military-grade 5G technology right across the country. Where did it come from? Who owns that technology? And what's going to happen when they don't like us anymore? Get to know your enemy. Get to know the facts. Speak the fuck up. And be a warrior. That's what we need to do, instead of following Marcus like a bunch of fucking sheep.